How to change Starlink IP address. Now in this video, I'm going to be showing you a quick tutorial on how you can change your IP address into a different figure. But first, all you have to do is open up the Starlink application. And once you're currently on your home dashboard, all you have to do is scroll down and tap on the settings, which is going to be the gear icon, so that you will be redirected into your Starlink settings. Now, on the next page, simply scroll down and you should see two options like Wi-Fi actions and Starlink actions. Now, simply choose on reboot, and then once you tap on reboot, just simply head straight into confirm. And once everything is confirmed on rebooting, you will automatically be redirected into the homepage of the Starlink application. Now you will see this error message, Starlink unplugged or rebooting. Don't panic, it's totally normal. Just have to wait for 3 to 5 minutes until it is fully loaded. Now, once the Starlink has already been rebooted and back online, all you have to do is to open up any browser that you can use on your end, connected it over into your Starlink, and this is where you can actually check your IP address. Use this domain here, what is my IP address.com, copy it and paste it into any browser that you can use and check if your IP address was changed. And that's it. That's the most convenient way for you to be able to change Starlink IP address.